Hello, good people. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy, Indoor Gardening. This is romaine lettuce that I started November 17th in my hydroponics. I've been taking from it and eating it. So after it got so tall and all the other plants were, much shorter and not getting the light, I took it from the hydroponic system and I did this Kratky method and put it in this bottle and covered it with a dark stocking. Well, it's falling over and the results I'm not liking very much. So I want to take it out of this water and plant it into some soil. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Let's check out the roots and see. It's got a pretty good root system. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to use this pot here. And I have some cut up brown paper, and I'm just going to put that in the bottom. Prevent dirt, soil from going through the holes at the bottom. Oh, I forgot. Let me take that out. I have coffee filters that have been used. So they've got a little coffee on them and juices throughout that have dried. I'm going to stick that in there. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of this paper here, this brown paper. And I used to have, I couldn't find some sponges that I would put in here to build it up some, but I don't know where they are. So we're just going to go from here. So let's see what's going on in here. Let's pull this out. You see the roots. And let's get this out of here. I used foil on this one because I ran out of stickers. Take this off and try and wiggle it out of here without damaging too much of the roots. Ooh, I don't know. It's pulling quite a few off. That's one thing that's difficult, to get these roots out without tearing them up. Okay, the roots are pruned. So here we go. Now I have soil mixture already, and I've soaked it with water to try to lessen the transplant shock. Putting this in some moist soil, and this is my combination soil of cocoa coir, peat moss, vermiculite, coffee grinds, eggshells, sphagnum moss, and loose leaf tea compost. All right, let me kind of dig a hole in the middle of this. That makes it easier to put the roots down in with this damp soil. Okay, so I've made that hole in there, and let's just put these roots down in that hole. And I'm going to add some more soil, cover that up. And if this isn't enough soil, I'll add some dry soil. I took my gloves off. Let me put one on. It's a little messy because it's wet. Get it in here securely. And we'll see how this grows. All right, I'm going to pack the soil down, and I probably will add a little dry soil to the top once I get this out. But here we have it. I won't have to water it right now, and I'll bring you back later and let you know how it goes in this soil. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Toodles, peace and love. See you soon.